as I talked about before, the vertical line test is very crucial in determining whether a mapping is a function or not. So in this IXL probe, Algebra 1, Q5, it's all about vertical lines. So if you have a pencil or a ruler or some type of straight edge, now's the time to go get it because we'll be using it. So here we go. Here is the graph of a figure, okay? And in this case, it's a circle. So if I were to draw a vertical line down through the center of this, would that vertical line touch this blue circle in two places? And the answer is yes. Once there and once there. So that makes it not a function. What about this one? Well, it's pretty much the same shape as the other one. So this is a little bit more oval. So if I drew a vertical line right here, you notice it touched right there and right there. Not a function. All right, here, this C or sideways U. If I draw a vertical line right here, okay, it touches right there and right there. Now, it doesn't matter where I draw that vertical line, just as long as no matter where I draw it, it doesn't touch twice. Like, I wouldn't draw it right here because I would be like, oh, well, it touches right there. It's one time. It's a function. No, it's anywhere I draw it. So I could draw it here. 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 So basically, you're looking for it to fail. You want to say, hey, it's not a function, because that's the easiest way to tell if it's a function or not. So here, no matter where I draw, I'll draw it here this time. Notice it touches there and there. Not a function. Okay, so the other way you could do it is just take your vertical line and drag it across your graph and see where it touches. All right, so it's a little hard here with just a mouse to do that. So basically, if I were to draw a vertical line here, it'd only touch one time, here one time, here one time, one time, one time. So this would be a function because it's only touching one time ever at any given moment. All right, here, don't worry about this dotted line in the middle. That's just talking about an asymptote. That's something that comes up later on in math, like calculus, and a little bit in algebra 2 if you have me. All right, so here we go, vertical lines. We're good here, 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 and here. Let's go down to this one. We're good here, 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 and here. So this is a function. I think it's easy to see when something's not a function. All right, like this is not a function. Touches 3 times. Not a function. That's a function. That's not a function. Touches twice, and that's not a function. So up here, when it says which of these is a function, it's that guy. What about this one? Not a function, not a function, not a function, function. Okay? When you get really good, you can just look at it and see. Like, I already know this one's a function because that's a circle, and that one's not a function. It's a sideways U or like a C. All right, which of these is function? Not a function, not a function, not a function, function. All right, so as you can see, I've already gone through and almost got up to an 80. So now it's your turn to try.